today we talk about how can you fix this problem on your piano Y2Go app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here, then you click on apps, come to apps list here, and there you're looking for piano Y2Go app, or just click on search. Then here add piano Y2Go app, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here, click on first stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. So then you go to your Play Store here, just click on it. Then here you search for piano music, here go, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here updates, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.